too. But just do your best, it's the best you can do. Sailboats are gliding to shore with the wind. Go out and stroll about and find a friend. Yeah, the long week is gone, now the weekend's begun. Go down and check the tavern, you might find some fun. The girls from the High Ridge are singing tonight. Hang out and drink some wine and I'll feel alright. Does your heart tell the truth when you're lying? Does your blues get you high when you're crying? But nobody's home. She's out for the evening, but she's not out alone. Of course you could find her, but what would be the use? Hang out and drink some wine and just get juiced. Does your mind hit the groove when you're gleaning? Does your life start to live while you're dreaming? Now the weekend will run. Relax on a Sunday and soak up some sun. There ain't much of nothing that's free.